Okay, fifth graders, I'm going to make 3 different videos on how to compare fractions. The first one is comparing fractions by drawing a grid. So, if I have 3/8 and I want to compare that to 5/6, and I want to know which one is bigger or which one takes more room, the first thing I want to do is I want to look and see which multiples both of my denominators share. Remember, your denominators are your numbers at the bottom. Okay, so, and multiples, of course, are skip counting. Well, I know if I skip count, I've got 8, I've got 16, 24, 32, and 40. Okay, if I do 6, I do 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. All right, right there, my least common multiple is 24, which means my grid is going to have 24 boxes. So I'm going to draw my grid, split it into fourths, and I'm going to split it up from there. Now, of course, ideally, these would all be the same size. But we've all seen my artistic abilities. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 4, which is 24. Okay, so if I need to split my grid into 8 equal pieces, and I'm splitting it into 8 equal pieces because I'm comparing 3/8, my grid is going to have how many boxes per section? Well, I want 8 sections times how many pieces gets me 24, times 3 pieces each section. So I'm actually going to split my box straight down the middle. That's 3 pieces on each side, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to split it right down horizontally. Okay, so now I have 8 sections of 3 pieces each. Okay, all right, and now I'm just going to color in 3 of those large pieces. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I colored in 3, 6, 9 boxes. Okay, now I need to make another grid because this time I'm going to separate it into 6 pieces. Okay, so I'm going to make my second grid. It's going to be really small because I'm running out of space. Okay, we're going to be a little bit more precise on this one again, just because I'm running out of space. So I've got 3, okay, I've got a 6 by 4, which is 24. And again, I need 6 sections. So how many? I need 6 sections times how many pieces in each section to get me to 24. Well, I know that 6 times 4 is 24. So each of my sections is going to have 4 little boxes in it. So again, I'm going to go right down the middle here, but this time I want 4 boxes per section. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I've got 6 of those little sets. And I'm going to color 5 out of the 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I colored 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 4 is 20. I colored 20. I colored way more of this one than I did of my first one. Remember, I only colored 9 up here. So 5/6 is bigger.